Okay, here we are, completed the installation, and you can see three different icons on my screen. So these are the components that are installed when we are installing Docker Toolbox. So you can see VirtualBox, you can see Kinematic, then you can see Docker Quick Start, right? So I think we are good to verify our installation, right? So to verify the installation, basically, you have to click the Docker Quick Start icon to launch a pre-configured Docker Toolbox terminal. So I'm talking about this. I'll double click on this and it pops up Docker Quick Start terminal, as you can see. Now, if the system displays a user account control prompt to allow VirtualBox to make changes to your computer, choose yes. Okay. Terminal does several things to set up a Docker toolbox for you. As you can see, when it is done, the terminal display a dollar prompt. So let's wait for that. It is downloading, and let's wait before the prompt is displayed on the terminal. And after it is active, we will type and verify the installation by running a Hello World program. So I can see over here, you know, it is creating the VirtualBox VM, creating the SSH key to enable the communication, right? And so these are the steps that are getting performed before the terminal. So it asks, okay, I'll click on yes, right. So it is enabling the network adapter, configuring the. So it's waiting for an IP. We will continue in the next video from this step.